Are you looking to run ads on TikTok? You're in the right place, as in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 fundamentals of TikTok advertising that you need to know in order to be successful on the platform. I'm going to break down the different types of TikTok ads and when you should use them, the demographics of TikTok's user base, and some extremely valuable statistics that show just how effective TikTok advertising can be. Stay tuned, as you won't want to miss this. But first, before we dive into the world of TikTok advertising, we want to let you guys know about our monthly newsletter, the Clicks to Conversions Report, where we send out our top case studies and show you the inner workings of some of our most profitable marketing campaigns. In the report, you'll get access to what's working and what's not working for our clients in real time. If you're interested, subscribe to the Clicks to Conversions report below by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's dive in. First on our list today, I'm going to break down 5 different types of TikTok ads: top view ads, in-feed ads, branded hashtags, branded effects, and spark ads. Those are all unique forms of TikTok advertising that you can use. Let's start with top view ads. These are the first thing a user sees when they open the app. These are some of the most sought after ad placements, as it's the very first thing you lay your eyes on. These are typically 60 seconds long and they'll autoplay with sound on. On average, TikTok users open the app 8 times per day, which gives you plenty of opportunity to reach your target audience. Next up, in-feed ads. These are the type of ads you commonly see while scrolling through your For You page. These ads can appear to be organic, but once you take a closer look, you'll see that it's a sponsored advertisement. Make sure you use a clear CTA or call to action in these ads so the user knows exactly what to do. Oftentimes, people swipe through these ads without the right understanding of what the ad was conveying, so you want to make sure you're speaking directly to your target audience. The third type of ad I want to share with you today are branded hashtags. They give brands the opportunity to mix organic and sponsored content to share the same message. An example of this was Bose's Cancel the Noise campaign, which ran to promote its wireless earbuds. The campaign took off organically with a new trend, where users would cut off the sound of something or someone they didn't want to hear or listen to, and instead they listen to music on their new wireless Bose earphones. This campaign has generated over 14 billion views with verified users and content creators feeding off of the publicity and making their own videos with the hashtag. Don't believe me? Check that out. Fourth on our list today are branded effects. These are similar to branded hashtags, but instead of just a hashtag, this gives the user the ability to add shareable stickers, augmented reality filters, and use lenses to create engaging content. This is an exciting way to invite users to interact and engage with your brand. These are less common than branded hashtags, but you still see them from time to time. Finally, the 5th and final type of TikTok ad I want to cover are spark ads. These are native ads that enable your brand to leverage organic TikTok posts into your advertising campaigns. Using this format, you can publish ads using your own TikTok posts or use posts made by other creators as your ads. There are a few caveats, however. Spark ads only support the following objectives within TikTok Ads Manager. In auction ads, you can only have reach, video views, engagement, traffic, conversions, and app installations as an objective. In reservation ads, you can only have reach and frequency as your objective. The good news is the benefits outweigh the con by quite a lot. By using Spark ads, you're able to drive traffic directly to your profile rather than a landing page, which could lead to future engagement, new leads, or repurchases. This is an important starting point for building culture and consistency on TikTok. Spark ads also could provide a boost for your campaigns. These metrics come straight from TikTok themselves. Okay, now that we have the different type of ads out of the way, let's dive into lesson number 2, the demographics. You might think that TikTok is filled with millions of young adults, teens, and even kids. While that is true, there are over 1 billion active monthly users on the platform, meaning you can reach just about anyone, just about any demographic or any audience. In fact, of the roughly 80 million monthly users in the United States alone, the age ranges of those users might surprise you. Nearly 33% of TikTok's user base is between the ages of 10 and 19, 30% between 20 and 29, 17% between 30 and 39, 14% between 40 and 49, and 7.1% above the age of 50. 38% of the user base is above the age of 30. Would you have guessed that? That equates to roughly 30.4 million active users per month in the United States over the age of 30. So no matter what product or service you're offering, you're bound to be able to target your ideal customer through TikTok ads. All right, finally, let's dive into the final lesson of the day, engagement. If you're active on the app, you know that TikTok has done an amazing job at making their interface bring out more natural user engagement. Users are engaging with TikToks at higher rates than every other social media platform, and that should come as no surprise. From top view ads being played at the top of your For You page to branded hashtags going uber viral overnight through new dance trends, the engagement levels are through the roof, and I have the statistics to back that up. Micro-influencers, or content creators with less than 1 million followers, saw engagement rates of nearly 18% in 2021. To give you some context, in that same time frame, Instagram and YouTube saw 3.86% and 1.63% respectively. And get this, a study conducted using TikTok users from all ages in the United Kingdom and United States found that in any given month, 63% of users liked a video, 63% of users followed an account or brand, 55% of users uploaded their own content, 54% of them left a comment, 50% of them shared a video, 43% of them uploaded a duet, and 41% of them uploaded a reaction video. That's a lot of user engagement. Now that you understand the basic fundamentals of TikTok advertising, you should feel a little bit more confident in running your own ads on the platform. From understanding the 5 different types of TikTok ads to learning the demographics and engagement rates of users, does running ads on TikTok seem right for your business? In any case, if you need help running your TikTok ads, contact us today through the link in the description below, and we'll have one of our marketing experts reach out to you. Now, I want to turn it over to you. What did you think of those 3 lessons? Is there anything you wished we touched on? Leave your thoughts below. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our Clicks to Conversions report, where you get an inside look at our most profitable marketing campaigns and funnels. This is where you see what's working and what's not in real time. The link is down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want weekly videos on digital marketing tips, tricks, and tactics to help scale your business online, then subscribe to our channel below. We'll see you next time.